How to make another account in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make another account in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. By default, you are limited to one Microsoft account per computer user account. This can make switching between accounts difficult. You can change this, though it requires a bit of advanced setup. To keep things clear, the following two terms are used. First is the Microsoft account, which is the account you use to log in to the Microsoft Store and Minecraft. Second is the computer user account, which is the computer account that you log into when you start your computer. To use multiple Microsoft accounts on one computer, you can create a different computer user account for each purchase of Minecraft Bedrock Edition you have. Now, click the Start button in Windows, click Settings, go to Accounts, and then click Other Users. Then click Add someone else to this PC and fill in their information. You can choose to create a user with a Microsoft account or make a local user without an account. Do not use an exclamation mark or Minecraft Bedrock Edition will not run. Next, log in to the other Microsoft account associated with the Minecraft Bedrock Edition profile you want to use for this computer user account. After that, download Minecraft Bedrock Edition from the Microsoft Store. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.